These ginger cookies are so easy to make, and it's a recipe that the kids and the whole family will just love. First, you'll need all-purpose gluten-free flour, ground ginger, baking soda, soft brown sugar, ground almond, peanut butter, vanilla essence or extract, and water. First, combine your water, vanilla essence, and peanut butter. Mix well and set aside. Sift your flour, baking soda, and ground ginger. Make sure you get your kids involved. They not only have fun, but also gain a real appreciation for how food is prepared. Add your almond meal and your soft brown sugar. Mix well. Create a well in the dry ingredients and pour in your wet ingredients that you mixed earlier. Now what we're looking for is a really stiff dough that can be formed into balls once the mixture has rested. Take about a tablespoon of mix and roll into a ball. Dip your fork in warm water and press to form your cookie shape. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. You can find this written recipe, along with many other healthy recipes, on our website.